right here. And this is our first YouTube
All right, wait. First, guys. Hi, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to Portia Vibes _5 and JJ9000, okay? But this is what we're gonna do, okay? So you're gonna comment down below. You hear him? Comment down below.
And give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.
There you go. All right. So today, what these handsome young men are doing. And by the way, this is their first YouTube channel, so please subscribe. You will get lots of laughs. These guys will have you laughing till you can't laugh no more. And then they're just really cool kids. But today, guys, we have a snack pack. So they don't know where we got this from. Only me and my oldest know. So I'm going to show the camera. Yeah.
Can we see, Mom?
All right, so these are the snacks. We got it from Korea, guys. Korea. All right, so you guys want to tell them? So we're gonna have. Matter of fact, you know what? Before we get any further, we're gonna introduce these guys. Before we even go any further than this, that would be cool to do. So starting with my second oldest.
Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video, and my name is Samir. What did I say?
Just tell them your name.
Guys, I don't know what to say.
His name is Jabril, guys.
My name is Jabril. Welcome back to the first YouTube channel.
That's right.
Welcome back to our first YouTube channel. My name is Samad. My name is Nadia. My name is Jabril. And my name is Samir. But you guys can call me little ST. And me too. And you guys can
All right,
call me
relax.
JT.
Relax, guys. All right, so let's get this thing started.
Mom, can I say my word?
No, we're gonna do this. All right.
Okay, starting off. You
So-
thumbs up if you want to.
Let's see what we
All
got.
right, so this is what it looks like in our snack pack. Okay.
You can't do that yet.
All right, so
Oh, whoa! You look pretty cool.
Hold on, guys. You gotta wait.
That was good.
okay, so mind you, all these things are from Korea. So
And guys, we have never tried anything from Korea.
anything ever. So with this right here, we have the white marshmallow filling. So I guess it's like a pass it around so everybody can see.
Pass it around. Pass it around. When y'all see
So
it,
you
pass
guys
it
can
around.
see and then give it back.
That was good.
All right, guys. So we never tried this before. Never did it before. We always see other YouTubers try it. So I figured today we can actually start up a new YouTube channel for these four.
And comment below if you ever tried Korea stuff.
Oh yeah, for real.
And comment down and give
If I could get this thing open.
thumbs up if you want
I got it.
comment.
Oh, eventually we'll get it.
You will see you thumbs up if you
Korea
want
pack. They pack their stuff. Oh, this looks like a moon pie.
Move on. Move on.
Hold on, guys.
And
Sorry about that.
and
Looks
you
like a
say
moon pie. So we're gonna start with Samad. Just take a bite. Now pass it.
Look. I feel like a round donut.
Do y'all really like it, or y'all just saying y'all like it?
And guys, I will be trying to.
He hates chocolate.
I don't really like chocolate, but I'll make an exception for my first try.
Mom, I want another bite. It's good.
No, we got other stuff.
You got all this stuff, so you can't
You
just.
guys gotta stop pushing the table, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so
It's okay. It's actually okay.
all right, so this is called the cocoa. It was called the cocoa pie.
It was good to go.
But it kind of reminds. Relax, guys.
Hold on, guys.
It kind of reminds me of a marshmallow pie. Some we just walked to the store. All right, so next, double boom. Next, we got a custard.
I go first, please.
A custard soft cupcake.
No,
It looks as cream and egg yolk filling. So we're gonna see how that
I
goes.
go first. I go first.
No, Jeremiah gonna go first. Oh, it's soft, guys. Smells.
Oh,
Smells.
don't get a bite.
A little weird, but Jeremiah, you don't gotta show yourself. Every time you take it, then you need to go over there.
No, wait, Mommy.
It's
disgusting.
It's disgusting, Samara.
It is
Oh.
kind of disgusting.
It smells disgusting.
Ew. Wait. Good though.
It's not that bad.
It's
not
good.
like-
It's good. It's good.
Alright. It's okay, guys.
Yay! We done that one.
Alright, so this is our next one. It's called Cancho Cocoa Biscuits.
Woo!
Sorry with the light, guys. There you go.
Stop saying that.
All right,
People
so-
think that you a girl. Boys and girls
All right.
say that.
Relax, guys.
Can boys and girls say woo?
Yeah, you can say it all the time. Okay, so I'm gonna take one out so you guys can see what it looks like first.
Woo! We can
Pretty
eat it
small.
all right
Yeah, it's really small. Alright, so it's really small. Looks like a little little bird.
We can eat it all. We can eat it all. We can buy. That counts for me. I think my thing fell.
Alright, you're welcome.
That's so good.
It's good.
It has chocolate in there. It's really good.
So I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry, guys. Cancho Cocoa Biscuits.
Good.
Alright, so next on the list. I don't know what this is. It could be a Rice Krispie treat. It looks like a Rice Krispie treat. I don't know. But
cut up.
we're gonna break it. Wait, guys.
Next to this.
How about mommy? Take it out so you guys won't be fighting.
That's gum.
Okay, so
That looks so good.
you sure? I'm just gonna give y'all pieces.
Two pieces each.
You like that?
Is it
No.
It's okay. It's flavorless.
Oh, okay, that's what it is.
It has no flavor.
Stop. It's not that.
Ooh, spicy.
Okay, so we have this right here, guys.
Oh.
But it's the Pashu noodle snack, spicy cake flavor.
I forgot to do that.
But you have to cook it, and we don't have time, so that'll be another video. All right, so our last piece of candy, our last item from Korea that we're trying, is grape flavored,
Bubblegum.
and I'm not sure. I think it's just candy at this point. So we're gonna give it a whirl.
Okay.
Whirl.
Ow.
All right.
Yeah, I like
Can
this
do
the
that
most.
actually.
I like
Okay, here.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Wait, Nadia, I'm gonna give you a piece. Relax. It's
It's
him
good.
second. Relax, Nadia.
It's good. Oh, so they come in like, it looks like a Starburst bowl. And
Yeah, it kind of do look like a
it is
Starburst.
gum. It's gum.
It's sour.
I want to see if it's sour.
Somebody, just put the trash on the table, and then we'll get it when it's big.
I'll take a sour.
Sorry, somebody might have taken forever. All right, so I'm gonna put the snacks back in here
It's the good sour though.
and let them finish chewing so they can get the flavor, and then we can have a discussion on what they like most and what they didn't like, or you know.
It's sour too. It's gum. I'm not chewing it.
So actually, guys, this is from this month's crate is from South Korea, if you guys can see. And so how do you like the candy?
Good.
Is it
I
sour?
just one.
It's better
Mommy.
than I expected.
Mommy, yeah.
Yes.
Mommy, can I show you something?
The biscuits taste like something that will come from the store.
We're not doing it. I just
Should we
said
eat this for the dinner?
no. You're not eating that for dinner.
That's
No, it's not. It's like noodles. It's the noodles. All right, guys. So, are you guys finished chewing?
No, I'm not, but it don't matter.
Okay, well, yeah, it doesn't. It's cool, but so of all the
Sorry.
ones, the little treats. What did you guys? Which one did you like the most?
I like the.
I like
Oh, the
I
marshmallow
like this
pie.
better.
This is
I
my
like
choice.
This better. I like
JJ
that.
9000 choice.
So you guys like the candy, the marshmallow puffs.
And I
Okay,
also
let's put it back, guys.
I want to get
I
another
don't
one
want
of
it to
those.
fall out or
You gotta ask
go
Mommy.
still. No, it's not enough for everybody. It's not enough for
Yeah,
everybody.
I
to
like
go around.
this too.
Oh, you like those?
Uh-huh.
All right, guys. So as you guys hear it, say your piece. And
The candy. Goodbye. And love you guys. Subscribe. And give us a big thumbs up.
And so what do you guys want to do for your next challenge?
The real versus gummy.
Okay, well we'll work on that.
Yes.
All right, you want to do your outro?
Only 2 points to me, bro. Give this a big thumbs up. Bye. See you next time and bye. Have a good day.